Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinz Grocery Stores, and I'm going to show you how to make an amazing, simple buffalo chicken sandwich recipe. To start off, we need to make that sauce. So go ahead and add in some buffalo sauce or any other hot sauce that you like. And to cut it, we're going to add in some unsalted butter just because it will be too spicy if we don't do this. And plus, adding fat is always a great thing to do. Once it is whisked together, let's go ahead and set it to the side. And now I've got 4 chicken breast cutlets that I'm going to season very well on both sides with a little bit of salt and pepper. Please be generous here. We want everything to taste delicious. Now at this point, let's go ahead and get a grill pan hot over the heat. We're going to add in some cooking oil. I use canola oil. We're going to add those chicken breast cutlets all over the pan. Do not crowd it because we want them to get a nice sear on both sides. After 3 to 4 minutes, go ahead and give it a flip. You see those beautiful grill marks. This is exactly what we're looking for. We're going to finish cooking them for another 3 to 4 minutes. And at this point, time to dip that chicken in the sauce. So go ahead and add it to our buffalo sauce. Completely coat it on both sides, moving it around. And now let's plate up. I've got a toasted bun, some green leaf lettuce, some sliced vine-ripe tomatoes, sliced red onions. I've got some dill pickles. You could use bread and butters. Let's top off with our buffalo chicken. And now, because I want a little bit of ranch sauce, I'm going to go ahead and pour that over top. Some other things you could add are mozzarella cheese, provolone cheese, crumbled blue cheese, or even blue cheese dressing. Let's finish it off with the top toasted bun, and then we are absolutely finished. A delicious homemade buffalo chicken sandwich right from your very own kitchen. Enjoy.